Amazon's search algorithm is basically a digital junkyard right now. But if you dig deep enough, you find things that legitimately look like they fell out of a sci-fi movie. We've spent weeks filtering out the trash to bring you 25 of the absolute coolest, most mind-blowing gadgets you can actually buy today. No filler, no useless plastic, just pure tech dopamine. Spinning illuminated smart clock. This isn't your grandpa's alarm clock. The spinning illuminated smart clock uses an optical illusion that makes it look like the numbers are floating holographically in thin air. As the internal mechanisms spin at insane speeds, high-intensity LEDs pulse to create a perfectly stable, ultra-bright digital display. It syncs directly with your smartphone to always stay pinpoint accurate. Whether you put it on your gaming desk or your nightstand, it's a massive flex. It's loud, it's proud, and it makes checking the time look like a glitch in the Matrix. Desktop laser engraver. But what if you want to leave your mark on the world? Enter this insanely compact desktop laser engraver. Back in the day, you needed a massive industrial workshop for this kind of machinery. Now, it sits right next to your keyboard. You just upload an image from your phone, align the laser, and hit go. It carves your custom designs into wood, leather, plastic, and even some metals in minutes. Personalize your phone case, make custom coasters, or just burn your logo onto everything you own. It's terrifyingly fun and incredibly precise. Smart dash cam. All right, let's take it to the car. If you don't have a dash cam yet, you're basically playing roulette with your insurance. But don't just buy a cheap one. This smart dash cam captures crystal clear 4K video, even in pitch black night conditions, thanks to its advanced Sony sensor. It has built-in AI that detects sudden movements or collisions, instantly locking the footage so it can't be overwritten. Plus, it connects seamlessly to your phone via an app, meaning no more fumbling with tiny SD cards. It's the ultimate silent witness on the road. Magnetic levitating Bluetooth speaker. Back inside the house, we have something that flat out breaks the laws of physics. The magnetic levitating Bluetooth speaker. Yes, the speaker orb actually hovers and spins in midair above its magnetic base, while pumping out surprisingly deep 360-degree bass. It looks like a UFO that landed in your living room, but the sound quality is genuinely legit. The lack of surface friction from levitating actually reduces audio distortion. When guests come over, this is the very first thing they're going to touch, poke, and ask you about. It is pure desk candy. Handheld drill. Okay, let's talk practicality, but make it sleek. Forget those clunky, heavy power tools taking up space in your garage. This minimalist handheld drill looks more like a high-end hairdryer than a power tool, but it packs a serious punch. It has a hidden magnetic bit storage inside the handle and a crisp digital display on the back, showing your torque settings and battery life. It's perfectly balanced, making it super easy to use for hanging pictures, building IKEA furniture, or quick DIY fixes. It's the tool for people who hate ugly tools. Knee massager? If all that DIY has your joints aching, you need this. The Smart Knee Massager is basically a physical therapist that straps directly to your leg. It combines deep tissue air compression, soothing infrared heat therapy, and high-frequency vibrations to melt away knee pain and stiffness. It looks like a piece of Iron Man armor, and honestly, it feels like it too. Just strap it on after a long run, a heavy leg day at the gym, or a long shift at work, and let the robotic massage bring you right back to life. Keypad. 32 gigabytes. Encrypted USB. Next up, let's talk digital security. If you have files, passwords, or crypto keys you want to keep absolutely secret. You need this Keypad encrypted USB drive. This isn't software encryption that can be bypassed. This is military-grade hardware encryption. You physically type in a PIN code on the drive itself before plugging it in. If someone tries to guess your code and fails 10 times, it completely self-destructs the data inside. It's pure James Bond spy tech that fits right on your keychain. Your secrets stay yours. It's ultra thin. Desk fan working from home means dealing with stuffy rooms, but regular fans are bulky dust magnets. Enter the ultra thin desk fan. This thing is ridiculously sleek, folding completely flat when not in use, so you can literally slide it into a drawer or a backpack. But flip it open, and the dual turbine blades push a massive amount of air while remaining whisper quiet. It's fully USB rechargeable, meaning you can take it from your desk to the kitchen or even out to the patio. It's the ultimate incognito cooling system for summer. Smart Wi-Fi pixel clock. Now, if you want your desk to feel like a command center, you need the smart Wi-Fi pixel clock. This isn't just for telling time. It's a retro-style pixel display that pulls live data from the internet. You can track your YouTube subscriber count, real-time crypto prices, weather updates, or just display custom 8-bit animations. The companion app lets you code your own displays, meaning the possibilities are endless. It is wildly addictive to watch your stats tick up in real time. It's a serious productivity tool disguised as a retro toy. Light therapy. Lamp. Speaking of productivity, if you live somewhere with long, dark winters, you need this light therapy lamp. It blasts you with 10,000 lux of UV-free, full-spectrum light that perfectly mimics natural sunlight. Just 20 minutes of this in the morning actually tricks your brain into waking up, massively boosting your mood, energy, and focus. It's essentially a cup of coffee for your eyeballs. It has an ultra-thin, modern design that blends perfectly into your desk setup. Stop letting the gloomy weather dictate your mood and bring the sun indoors. Portable laser projector. What if you could carry a 100-inch TV in your backpack? That's exactly what this portable laser projector is. Unlike old-school projectors with dim bulbs that burn out, this uses advanced laser tech to throw an incredibly bright, sharp, and vivid image onto any wall, even if the room isn't pitch black. It has built-in Android TV, so Netflix and YouTube are ready to go, and it auto-focuses and auto-keystones instantly. Just point it at a wall, a ceiling, or a camping tent, and you have an instant home theater anywhere. AI Smart RGB Table Lamp. Let's set the mood. This AI Smart RGB table lamp isn't just a light, it's a whole experience. Using a built-in microphone and an AI algorithm, it actively listens to the music, movie, or game playing in your room, and syncs its 16 million colors perfectly to the audio. It doesn't just awkwardly flash, it creates fluid, dynamic light shows that elevate the entire vibe of your space. You can control it via voice with Alexa or Google Assistant, making it the absolute perfect centerpiece for your gaming desk or nightstand. Toy light motion. Light. Okay, this next one is hilarious but undeniably genius. The toy light motion light. We've all done the 3 a.m. stumble to the bathroom, blinding ourselves with the harsh main light. This little gadget hooks onto the rim of your toilet and uses motion sensors to illuminate the bowl with a soft, glowing color as soon as you walk in. It cycles through different colors and is surprisingly comforting. It saves your retinas, helps your aim in the dark, and honestly makes going to the bathroom feel like a sci-fi experience. Magnetic Ringstand. Moving back to your phone, MagSafe accessories are awesome, but this magnetic ring stand is the king of them all. It snaps onto the back of your phone with an incredibly strong magnetic grip and features a dual hinge design. You can use it as a standard pop socket style grip or fold it out to stand your phone up vertically for scrolling TikTok or horizontally for watching movies. It's made of aerospace-grade aluminum, so it feels premium, and you can pull it off instantly when you want to use wireless charging. Mini Ice Maker. If you hate watered-down drinks, you need this Countertop Mini Ice Maker. Forget those annoying plastic ice trays that take hours to freeze. You just pour water in, hit a button, and this absolute beast starts churning out perfect bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. It can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a single day. Whether you are hosting a party, making iced coffee, or just filling your gym water bottle, having an infinite supply of ice on demand feels like a massive luxury upgrade for your kitchen. Car Center Console. Let's jump back to the car. Your center console is probably a messy black hole of cables and receipts. This drop-in car center console organizer changes everything. It custom fits into your specific vehicle, giving you layered compartments, hidden storage for valuables, and most importantly, built-in retractable charging cables. You just pull the cord out, charge your phone, and it zips right back in when you're done. No more tangled messes ruining your interior. It even has an LED light inside so you can actually see your stuff at night. Dual light flashlight. Now, let's talk tactical. The dual light flashlight is not your average torch. This thing features a massive, ultra-bright main beam that can illuminate an entire forest, combined with a side-mounted COB work light. It's magnetic on the base, meaning you can slap it onto the hood of your car while you work on the engine, or attach it to a breaker box during a blackout. It also doubles as a high-capacity power bank, so you can charge your phone in an absolute emergency. It is the ultimate survival tool you need. Telescopic camping light. If you're taking that flashlight outdoors, you should pair it with this telescopic camping light. When folded, it looks like a thick, sleek metal baton. But extend the telescopic pole, and it reaches up to 6 feet high, deploying a massive, ultra-bright LED halo at the very top. You just stake it into the ground, and it lights up your entire campsite like a street lamp. It comes with a remote control, adjustable brightness, and different color temperatures. It totally ruins the concept of being in the dark while camping. HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone. Alright, remember when I said Gadget 19 would change how you record your life? Meet the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone. Forget clunky controllers, glitchy apps, and needing a pilot's license. This is a pocket-sized, fully autonomous flying camera that weighs practically nothing. You unfold it, let it hover right from your palm, and it uses incredibly advanced AI to lock onto you and track your every move. Whether you are mountain biking down a rugged trail, running on the beach, or just walking down the street, it follows you smoothly, capturing absolutely stunning 8K video. It's literally having a personal professional videographer living in your pocket. It automatically dodges obstacles, gets the perfect cinematic shot, and lands right back in your hand when you're done. Ember temperature control. Smart Mug 2. Back at the desk, let's solve the most annoying problem ever. Cold coffee. The Ember Smart Mug 2 looks like a standard premium ceramic mug, but it has a built-in battery and a heating element. You use the app to set your exact preferred drinking temperature, down to the degree, and it keeps your coffee or tea at that exact heat for hours. It senses when the mug is empty and turns off automatically. It ruins you for normal mugs because your last sip is just as piping hot as your first. 3D Hologram Fan. If you want to absolutely stun anyone who walks into your room, you need a 3D hologram fan. This looks like a simple blade, but when it spins up, the embedded LEDs create massive, high-definition 3D animations floating directly in midair. You can upload any video or image from your phone, and the software instantly converts it into a floating hologram. It's often used for storefront advertising, but putting one in your gaming room or man cave takes the cyberpunk aesthetic to an entirely different, jaw-dropping level. SciIce Propane Fire Pit. Moving to the backyard, we have the SciIce Propane Fire Pit. We all love sitting around a campfire, but smelling like smoke and dealing with ash is terrible. This fire pit runs on clean propane, giving you instant, massive, roaring flames with the simple flip of a switch. It comes with lava rocks that heat up and radiate an insane amount of warmth. It even doubles as an outdoor coffee table when you put the lid on. It brings the cozy, luxury resort vibe straight to your patio with zero maintenance. Red Sack Electric Portable Bidet. Okay, hear me out on this one. Once you go bidet, you never go back. But what about when you travel? The Red Sack Electric Portable Bidet is a discreet, rechargeable device that you fill with warm water. Press a button, and the motorized pump delivers a surprisingly strong, precise spray to keep you feeling perfectly fresh anywhere in the world. It's miles better than those cheap manual squeeze bottles. Whether you are camping, staying in a sketchy hotel, or just at the office, it ensures you never have to settle for dry paper again. Magnetic SSD Enclosure. For my creators out there, storage is everything. This magnetic SSD enclosure is pure brilliance. You slot in a super-fast NVMe.2 drive, and the whole enclosure magnetically snaps directly to the back of your phone or laptop. It connects via a tiny, high-speed USB-C cable, allowing you to shoot massive ProRes 4K videos directly from your iPhone camera straight onto the drive. It's built out of solid aluminum to act as a heatsink, keeping your drive ice cold during heavy transfers. It's an absolute lifesaver for content creators on the go. Olight Arkfeld Pro. And finally, gadget number 25, the flashlight that legitimately broke the internet, the Olight Arkfeld Pro. This isn't a normal bulky cylinder, it's a flat, rectangular EDC light that slips into your pocket exactly like a pocket knife. But what makes it incredible is the selector dial on top. With a quick click, it blasts a blinding 1,300 lumen white light. Click again, it's a powerful Class 3R green laser pointer, perfect for presentations or driving your cat insane. Click a third time, and it's a high-grade 365 nanometer UV light, instantly revealing invisible stains, pet accidents, or checking currency. It is the ultimate 3-in-1 gadget you'll actually want to carry every single day. And there you have it. 25 of the most mind-bending, practical, and downright awesome Amazon gadgets you can get your hands on right now. Which one was your favorite? Are you picking up that crazy 8K pocket drone? Or are you brave enough to try the portable bidet? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. I've put links to all of these products in the description below so you can check out the current prices. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic tech drops, and I'll see you guys in the next one.